Yes, most definitely all about love, unity, consciousness, mic check, 1, 2. Erit. I'm on your titanium element to change your point of view. In your periodic table, titanium. Go to etymology to find your cranium is titanium. Now, titanium in etymology pertains to who? Uranium, ding, ding, ding. And your titan, sons of the earth, which you live on. Uranium, though, let's focus on that one. You have depleted uranium in which the Iraq war poisoned your Arabic brothers and children. Sick? Okay, your tax dollars are paying for this. Fact. Now, uranium. Why is astrology important? Because uranium in etymology pertains to Uranus and Uranian. Uranus is a star system in which with a Nikon P900 camera, it looks like this. Yeah, a little bit of a mist there in the sky. Or I don't know, like this with a little dot there in the middle, and it's also bluish. But what does this look like to you? Get a Nikon P900 camera, y'all. NASA's lying to you. That would be your Target logo. Are you a Target when you go shopping? And NASA shows you Uranus like this. Wow, shame, shame, shame. They're making a fortune off of all of our stupidity. And homosexual means Uranian. Uranium. And in your Freemasonic cults, Freemasonry, Illuminati, they have homosexual rites in which you have people speaking out now about the gay rituals. Much love to my gays. Takes you back to your titanium element of your periodic table, because titanium is uranium, Uranus, homosexuality, and depleted uranium, much love to my Arabs. Titanium etymology is your Titan, Sons of the Earth, and the Titanic movie, darn it. Slow it down, Jay. Wow. Saturn is a remote planet, is the golden age, and was worshipped for elevating humanity, gardening, agriculture, and making civilization and the New World Order. So Saturn is positive, actually. However, Kronos is known to be a Titan. Wow. Now, Satan is Saturn, and research this. Who is Kronos? Well, Cronus is Saturn. Do your research, y'all. Very simple. Hi. Your Kronos is Saturn again. See how diverse it is? Slow it down, Jay. It's Satan. Why is it important to you? Lucifer is Satan, morning star, and Venus. Okay. Christ calls himself the morning star. Slow it down. Your phosphorus is the morning star. Satan. Hi, people. It's in your urine where you pee-pee from and your sacred organs. Now, Kronos, yes, castrates, whoa, Uranus. Interesting. You have the castratos. Well, let's go back again. Because, damn it, Kronos, the god Saturn. Okay. But then Kronos castrates his father Uranus. Uranus guy is United States and us, we. Wow. You have the castratos, right? In your opera. Oh, hi, people, wake up. Castration. You have Fidel Castro of Cuba. Slow it down. Is he playing with you? Castrating your mind. Here is your Saturn right here with a Nikon P900 camera you can buy. Here is NASA's version, Photoshop. And here it is again, Saturn, the real version. What's going on? Why are you getting played with? You better go get your name decoded by me. CGI, like that version right here. CGI by Saturn. What does it mean? Etymology. CGI pertains to what? Computer-generated imagery. But cetus, etymology, fact. Know where to go with my truth. Cetus is a whale or a large fish or a sea monster. Slow it down, Jay. That's myth. Sea monsters, MS. Here is your Cetus, constellation astrology. Why you should know your stars, not damn them. Hippocampus is a sea monster. Cetus. Hippocampus is in your brain, people. Wow, blowing your mind. Back to your titanium. You're awesome but confused. Notice number 22 of your periodic tables. You have 22 bones in your skull. Fact. You have the movie called It. Is your titanium It? Notice the red color on the one eye there for Stephen King. Your SK assault rifle. And here is your Mars for real, the red orb you just saw with a Nikon P900 camera. Here is NASA. And here it is red, like the It movie on the eye of Horus. Mars is Horus. Research that. Now, IT, titanium, in the periodic table. T and I, like T.I. the rapper. Wow, Jay, amazing. That would be your, let's see, that's 11, 9, 11, 9, and 2, right? And it's gold, y'all, for the Illuminati. What is 11? In your angel numbers of your tarot, 11 is 2. A number 2 is a shit. Know your shit, because 2 is the moon. Wake up, y'all. Hi, tarot. Much love to Ireland. Okay, number 2 is the moon and the high priestess. Why is it important to you? Very quickly, let's get into this. You have a lunate moon bone in your wrist, okay? That's a moon symbol in your hand, y'all. Wake up. Your number 2, the shit you take, right, is also the high priestess, your Hewitt-Packard computer. Slow it down, Jay. Now, well, pardon me. The moon in the tarot pertains to animals and scorpions. Okay, well, why is it important? Zodiac etymology means circle of little animals. Why you don't eat them? Let them live their life like you should. Number 2, once again, is the high priestess. Why is it important to you? You have a bicep. Bi is 2. 2 is the high priestess. Notice letters J and B. And darn it, you have who? It's Virgo, Cancer, but the moon in Venus. Your phosphorus means the morning star Venus. Lucifer is Venus etymology. I'll wake up. Woo! But notice back here, your high priestess, slow it down, J, is a female. Letters J and B. Jungle Book. That is your Jachin and Boaz of Freemasonic gay rituals, Illuminati. They have Jachin and Boaz. So why is it important to you? Because all of your presidents were Freemasons, secret people. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shiva Boom Om JHE. Please donate. I will decode your name like this. And if you don't know your elements, you will be the problem and not the Illuminati. And share this. It was definitely fire. Wow, Jay. Incredible work. They're playing with us.